Hello student, welcome to MDC Learning. So in today's topic, we are going to learn a very important module of economics. Student, as we know very well, now we are going to start SEM 2. So in SEM 2, there are many topics which we have done in 12th standard. So our module 1 is fully based on market and the types of market. So we'll start with module number 1. In module number 1, we will learn about a very important concept that is called market. So what is market? Market का मतलब क्या होता है? And what are the types of market that will do? So first of all, we should know the meaning of market. So market is an arrangement where buyers and sellers come together buying and selling goods and services. Now you must be thinking why I have used word arrangement, because प्लेस पहले जो मार्केट की कंसेप्ट थी वहाँ पर प्लेस वर्ड यूज़ होता था, बट नाउ डेज वी आर यूजिंग अरेंजमेंट. रीज़न बिकॉज ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग भी होती है. सो मार्केट इज़ अ वन टाइप ऑफ अरेंजमेंट वेयर बायर एंड सेलर कम टुगेदर buying and selling goods and services. Then what are the types of market, or we can say what is the structure of market? So structure of market classified into two important category. So what are the two important category? Number one is called perfect competition, number two is called imperfect competition. Then imperfect competition classified into some more category, but as per the syllabus we are going to learn three types of imperfect competition, that is monopoly competition, monopolistic competition, oligopoly competition. Student, you must be heard about monopoly and monopolistic because we are very familiar with these two market. This study already we have done in 12th standard. Only oligopoly is new for us. So let's start our video with the first type of market, that is called perfect competition. Now the concept perfect competition, first of all introduced by Adam Smith, who is known as father of economics. So father of economics introduced concept perfect competition, and as we know very well that Adam Smith is a father of economics and he is a classical economist. Classical economist means before modernization, or we can say he is a economist of a 70s and 60s. So according to Adam Smith, if there is a market, then what should be the features of market? अगर एक perfect competition और एक perfect market होना चाहिए, so according to Adam Smith, what should be the feature of that market? ये सब कंसेप्ट इस टाइप में हमें सीखने को मिलेगा. सो स्टूडेंट बी रिमेंबर, इन रियलिटी दिस टाइप ऑफ मार्केट इज़ नॉट एप्लीकेबल. दिस इज़ अ फुल्ली इमेजिनरी कंसेप्ट. All the features are based on assumption of Adam Smith. So whatever point we are going to learn, it all are assumption of Adam Smith, because Adam Smith के हिसाब से अगर हम परफेक्ट कंपटीशन और परफेक्ट मार्केट की बात करें तो उसके क्या क्या फीचर्स हो सकते हैं. सो नंबर वन फीचर वी कैन से इज़ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ सेलर्स एंड लार्ज नंबर ऑफ बायर्स. So point number one, that is large number of sellers. In perfect competition, there are large number of sellers. All the sellers are selling homogeneous product at same price. So जो sellers का number है, it is large. It is large in size. बहुत सारे sellers होते हैं. और वी कैन से अकॉर्डिंग टू एडम स्मिथ, अगर कोई भी मार्केट परफेक्ट है एंड इफ़ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट परफेक्ट कंपटीशन, तो परफेक्ट कंपटीशन में बहुत सारे सेलर्स होने चाहिए. सेकेंड इज लार्ज नंबर ऑफ बायर्स. If there are large number of sellers, it means that there should be large number of buyers also. So according to Adam Smith, if there are large number of sellers in a perfect competition, then there should be large number of buyers also. Now next is what type of product they used to sell. So in perfect competition, all the sellers, all the producer or all the supplier, all are same word. So in perfect competition, all the sellers are selling homogeneous product. Now what is homogeneous? The word homogeneous means the product which are same in quantity, quality, taste, आफ्टरवर्ड कलर, शेप, एवरीथिंग, जो प्रोडक्ट सेम हो हर एक चीज़ में, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड होमोजीनियस प्रोडक्ट. So, according to Adam Smith assumption, if we will talk about perfect competition, so perfect competition में जितने भी large number of sellers है, they will sell homogeneous product in the market. It can come for fill in the blank. So in perfect competition, all the sellers are selling homogeneous product. Homogeneous product means that product which are same in quantity, कलर, शेप, टेस्ट एक्सेट्रा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर एक फर्म वाइट चॉक सेल कर रहा है तो बाकी सारे फर्म भी वाइट चॉक सेल करेंगे सेम प्राइस पे, सेम क्वांटिटी, सेम क्वालिटी, सेम टेस्ट, सेम कलर एक्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट इज फिक्स्ड प्राइस. एज वी नो वेरी वेल, हर एक मार्केट में जितने भी फर्म्स होते हैं उनका एक प्राइस पैटर्न होता है. सो इन परफेक्ट कॉम्पिटिशन, टू अवॉइड प्राइस वॉर, टू अवॉइड प्राइस राइवलरी, एडम स्मिथ ने क्या कहा कि ऑल द फर्म विल फॉलो फिक्स्ड प्राइस पॉलिसी. इट मीन दैट all firm will sell their homogeneous product at fixed price in a perfect competition. So सारे के सारे प्रोडक्ट के प्राइस क्या रहेगी? फिक्स्ड इन अ नेचर, विच इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू बी चेंज. वाई दे केप प्राइस फिक्स्ड? रीज़न टू अवॉइड price war and to avoid any type of rivalry between the firm related to change in a price. मतलब प्राइस को लेके जो भी आर्ग्यूमेंट्स होती फर्म्स के बीच में वो अवॉइड करने के लिए एडम स्मिथ सेड दैट इफ़ वी विल टॉक अबाउट परफेक्ट कॉम्पिटिशन, तो परफेक्ट कॉम्पिटिशन में सारे के सारे सेलर्स अपने प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस फिक्स रखेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट. In perfect competition, all the firms are earning normal profit. Normal profit means the point where TR equal TC. Normal profit means the firm is able to cover his cost as well as some amount of profit. ऐसा नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट मतलब जिस पॉइंट पे TR इक्वल TC हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट. सो इन परफेक्ट कॉम्पिटिशन ऑल द फर्म्स विल अर्न ओनली नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट. रीजन, ऑल आर सेलिंग होमोजीनियस प्रोडक्ट एट सेम प्राइस. नेक्स्ट इज no government intervention. As I told you at starting only that Adam Smith is a classical economist, and as we have learned about classical economics, according to classical economics, government is not playing important role in the market. According to classical economists, government have only one important role, that is defense and security and maintain administration of the country. सो क्लासिकल इकोनॉमिक्स के हिसाब से गवर्नमेंट इज़ नॉट प्लेइंग इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन द इकोनॉमी. इन द इकोनॉमी देर आर इनविजिबल हैंड. It means that there are invisible hand, those who can solve all the problem in the economy which is arises, such as unemployment, inflation, etc. So if we'll talk about perfect competition, then there should be no government involvement and government is not playing important role. Intervention का मतलब होता है involvement. Next is no transport cost. Now, no transport cost means, see, as we know very well, when we make a movement of goods and services from one place to another place, that time we have to spend money on transportation. But according to perfect competition, there is no transportation cost. How it is possible? Because this assumption made by Adam Smith on the one funda, that is the if firm आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट देयर इंडस्ट्री नियर बाय मार्केट एरिया. जैसे कि एक एरिया में मार्केट है और उसी एरिया के आसपास अगर फर्म अपना बिजनेस सेटअप करे, सो ही कैन ईजिली मेक अ मूवमेंट ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज फ्रॉम दैट इंडस्ट्री टू मार्केट एरिया विदाउट स्पेंडिंग मनी ऑन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. सो in perfect competition there is no transportation cost, because according to Adam Smith all the firm, all the industry should be set up a nearby market only. Next is free mobility of factors of production. First of all, mobility means movement of goods and services. Mobility means movement of factors of production. Now what are the factors of production? First of all, there are main 4 important factors of production: land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. Technology remain constant. So according to perfect competition, we can easily mobile each and every factors of production from one use to another use and one place to another place. For example, if I am having piece of land and that piece of land I was using for agriculture purpose, so that piece of land now I can use for industrial purpose. सो परफेक्ट कॉम्पिटिशन के हिसाब से जितने भी फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन विच वी आर यूजिंग फॉर द प्रोडक्शन पर्पस दैट वी कैन ईजिली मोबाइल फ्रॉम वन यूज टू अनदर यूज एंड वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. Next is complete market information. According to Adam Smith assumption, in perfect competition, both buyers as well as sellers, they having full information about the market like a demand, supply, price, profit, what rate are going on, what are the new products, everything means buyers and sellers को दोनों को market की पूरी information है. Next is free entry and exit of firm. Okay, the main important feature of perfect competition is that in perfect competition, a firm can easily enter into the market if he will find that there is a profit, and he can easily exit from the market if he find there is loss. So entry and exit of firm in perfect competition is totally free. Next is horizontal demand curve. Now, as we know very well, in each and every market there is a shape of demand curve. So in perfect competition, the shape of demand curve is a horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis. It means that the shape of demand curve in perfect competition is perfectly elastic, which is perfectly elastic means horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis. सी जब भी कोई डिमांड का परफेक्टली इलास्टिक होता है, इसका मतलब अगर प्राइस में थोड़ा भी चेंज हुआ देन डिमांड कैन बी चेंज इन्फिनाइट. सो इन परफेक्ट कॉम्पिटिशन द शेप ऑफ डिमांड कर्व इज अ हॉरिजॉन्टल स्ट्रेट लाइन पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस. और यू कैन ऑल्सो से इन परफेक्ट कॉम्पिटिशन द शेप ऑफ डिमांड कर्व इज perfectly elastic. Now, why the shape of demand curve is a perfectly elastic in a perfect competition? Reason, in perfect competition there are large number of sellers. All the sellers are selling homogeneous product at fixed price. So fixed price है, इसके लिए जो शेप है डिमांड कर्व का perfect competition में वो horizontal straight line है और perfectly elastic है. So these are the features of perfect competition. Student, I hope so this video will definitely help you. So watch it again and again, and this notes you can write from 12th standard also. Now I am asking some question. If you are able to give answer, then you can write down. Number 1, perfect competition introduced by dash economist. Number 2, in perfect competition firms are selling dash type of product. Then in perfect competition a firm is a price taker. The prices are decided by the market forces, that is demand and supply. So best of luck. Watch video again and again. All the doubt will get clear.